Zaventem Airport, end of May 2015. Infrastructure specialist Aswebo starts renovating runway 25L07R. This follows months of meticulous planning. 2 or 3 layers of asphalt are removed, together with the drainage channels, cables and transformer boxes for the lights. The foundation underneath the asphalt is also removed along the edges of the runway. There are huge piles of rubble, but this won't just be dumped. It will all be sorted carefully, then crushed and sieved, as most of the rubble is to be recycled. Thanks to a meticulous combination of supply and removal, recycling of the rubble and optimization of the schedule, the impact on the environment and surrounding area is kept to a minimum. Safe takeoff and touchdown are the top priorities at an international airport, and that requires runways like billiard tables. Laying the various layers of asphalt seamlessly and super flat over an area about 3 kilometers long and 45 meters wide is no easy task. To do this, 6 or sometimes even 8 special asphalting machines run side by side. By the end of the project, over 100,000 tons of fresh asphalt will have been laid, covering an area equivalent to that of 42 football pitches. Once it's cured, thousands of grooves of even width are cut in the top layer to help the water drain away when it rains. And the markings need to be done with extreme precision and to a high standard. Two and a half months after the start of the works, the renovated runway can be handed over. Around 1,500 people have pulled out all the stops, so Aswebo could complete this project ahead of schedule and to specification.